Here we are, starting with the duck board. We've got this large area here, perfect for fitting a bait board for fishing or for a barbecue. There's a step on board here. We've got the 240 power supply for when you're on the dock. Good access there. We've got this gate here with the Storm Bay logo on. We've got this nice sized cleat here, perfect for your mooring lines. Good access at the back of the boat. And this beautiful cockpit area here, perfect seating for 6 people. Good sized dining table. Really like that. You've got a lot of options there. Good space around this side for other people, any friends that you've got coming with you on your trip. Cockpit lockers underneath the seats. Good size lockers under here. And that runs all the way across under all the seats at the back here and on the side. Here we've got a tap for your deck wash. And look at this down this side here. Got nice, good access, good width. Down the bulwarks down the side of the boat. From the cockpit, we've got these windows that open up. And then we've got the sliding door here. So that slides back into there. Really gives you good access into this open cockpit. They're the windows that lift up. And in here you've got an L-shaped sofa, perfect for seating 4 or 5 people. Got this drop-down berth in the saloon. So that drops down and becomes your berth. We've got this galley, L-shaped galley. Great, beautiful space for cooking. There we go. Plenty of light in here. Nice big windows all around. In the galley here, we've got storage space. Got the induction hob, 4-burner induction hob, and microwave. In here, we've got space for a water maker. It's not currently fitted, but it's plumbed in, ready to go. I've got a cupboard here. And then the sink, nice size sink. We've got the fridge, freezer space. So these can be set to either fridge or freezer. They're a decent size. You can fit quite a lot in there. Down the end here, we've got 3 drawers. Plenty of storage in this galley. And up here, we've got the overhead cupboards in the kitchen as well. Behind the sofa here, we've got the TV. It's an electric lift TV. There you go. We'll put that away. Moving forward, so we've got the helm station. So we've got 2 helm chairs, good size, very comfy, bolsters. Got storage under there and storage on the end. We've got a navigation table, so space for any charts, any other navigation equipment you need. Got the Fusion stereo. We've got 4 speakers, 2 in the cockpit and 2 in the saloon. The Garmin VHF. We've got the horn, nav lights, anchor, forward bilge, engine bilge and stern bilge controls. The Lombardi 9 kVA generator. Your windscreen wiper controls. Your sunroof controls. This boat's got an electric sunroof. Your auto helm. Your Sleipner bow and stern thrusters, very useful. And your throttle control, your Volvo throttle control for your engine. Underneath here, we've got the quick anchor chain controls. Fuel, water, and water displays up there. And the Garmin chart plotter with the compass up on top. There we go. It's a good helm station. You get good visibility. I'm stood at the helm station and you can see all around the boat. Got very good visibility on either side from the helm. You've also got your helm side door, so you can go out into the bulwark. And from your helm station here, you get good visibility all down the side of the boat. Looking back the other way, you can see very good spot, good position to be in for when you're docking. As we move downstairs, we've got our cabin space. First of all, on the left here, we've got our bathroom. So in there, Jabsco electric head, good size. Got a nice mirror there. Our sink, and we've got a separate shower with a waterfall head. Great size space in here. So there's the waterfall head. There's the regular shower head. Good size shower, and great that it's a separate space, separate from the toilet. We don't like wet toilets. No one likes a wet toilet. Now we've got our guest bedroom. So this has got 2 cabins. So here's the guest space. Here's the guest cabin. You can see we've got blue lighting on the floor. Good safety. You've got a bedside cabinet there. This is a double with a reading lamp over in the corner. Good size. And then in here, we've got the ensuite. And then in here, we've got the guest ensuite. Coming around here, we've got our master. So this is a queen. Good space on either side. We've got good storage underneath here with a cupboard and with the drawers. Storage under the panels there on either side of the bed. Good lighting in here, plenty of natural light. A good sized bed. It can be hanging space or shelving. At the moment it's set up for shelving. One of the things we've also got is ducted air conditioning in this cabin as well. Now we'll make our way up and through to the bow of the boat. Outside here we've got a midship cleat, easy access from the helm station. got our rope blocker here. Perfect for any lines, mooring lines. We've got our large bow cleats. Seating. Up at the front here, we've got our chain locker. So we've got a deck wash down there, both fresh and salt water, and we've got stainless chain. Here, we've got a quick anchor winch with foot controls and stainless anchor, 27 kilo stainless anchor. Here we've got the bow, and you can see up onto the roof. Got the sunshade, and there's the roof. So there's plenty of space up there if you did want to fit anything like a spotlight or a radar, or you wanted to put a tender up there, or paddleboard racks, solar. There's plenty of space there. We'll just make our way around the boat, around the other side, go and have a look in the engine bay. First of all, we'll have a quick look here in the lazarette. This boat's got a large lazarette that goes from side to side. Just come down here, show you the storage that's available on this boat. It's huge. So down here, we've got some batteries, steering mechanism there. PFDs, the hot water tank. But as you can see underneath here in this lazarette, there's a large amount of storage space. Now coming up and out of the lazarette, and come around here, we'll have a quick look at the engine bay. Under here, we've got the engine bay. And here we've got the engine. Good access with a step down. Got fuel supply, batteries, and then we've got our generator. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. As mentioned, this boat is for sale and is ready to go now. She's in turnkey condition and ready for a new buyer to step on board and take her away on her next adventure. If you'd like to organize a viewing, please let me know. My email is peter.austin@yachtsalesco.com.